Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Pratik Singh Wagila, and in this video we would like to understand how to upload data from Excel and CSV file into KNIME for data analysis. So before we begin, first step is to open KNIME, then go to your workflow and open a particular workflow wherever you want to get your data. So basically, as we have discussed earlier about interface, on left hand side you have option node, and if you want to retrieve data from Excel, then just pick up this Excel reader, drag and drop it here, and if you see the information on left panel, this node read Excel file. So whatever the Excel file is, you can see the number of formats it can handle, and we can upload data from Excel here. So once you have node here, you just have to right click on it, click on configure. One window will appear, and in that window you have to select system, that is local file system. You can upload a single file or you can upload a multiple file in a folder. It depends what kind of data you have. So right now I'm selecting the file option only, and here you just have to click on browse. So once you click on browse, just locate your data set. I have the data set that what we have discussed in previous video, and it is data set 2026. I'm opening it, and then you can select first row with data. You can select if you have multiple sheet from here, but we have only single sheet. You can see the preview of data set. It is already been generated here. Just click on apply and then OK. Once you click on OK, you can see the yellow signal is activated. Now you can execute the cell by clicking here. The node signal become read. At bottom you can see the data has been uploaded to the system. Now it can be used for further processing. Okay, so this is how we have understood. If you have data set in Excel file, then you can do in this way. Another file format which is more common for business data analysis purpose is CSV file. So here just type CSV and you can drag and drop CSV reader node, and if you see the information, this reads the CSV file. So most of the data is available in CSV file format, so you can use this as well. Just click on right click on node, click on configure. The same kind of window will appear. Again you can select a local system. If you have multiple files in a folder, you can select this. Otherwise, single file upload can be done by selecting this option file. Click on browse, go to your local drive. Again I have created a sample data set. Select that data set and click on open. It will open. You can define the delimiter. That is the most important when we are talking about uploading CSV file, and most of the files are comma separated, so you can kept this as it is, and you can see the preview button. The data has been retrieved perfectly. So just click on apply and OK. Again your CSV reader is ready to execute. Click on execute button, and yes, it is executed successfully. You can see here the data has been uploaded. So these are the two major way how you can upload data. The third option is what many times organization is working with databases, most of the organizations. Then there is one option in KNIME that is uh, DB connector. Okay, so when you want to connect KNIME with a live database of any organization, then you can use this node. You just have to right click on it, click on configure, and you can see here the options are available. You can select the available database of your company like this. Let's say for example I'm selecting Oracle, and then you just have to paste the URL of database. If credentials are available, then you can select none. If they are uh, not available, then you can select none, and if the credential are available, you just have to add credential here. Click OK and apply. This again will be activated. So these are the three major ways how you can upload data on KNIME software. So I think it is easy for you to understand how we have just uploaded data from Excel file, from CSV file, and just additional information. If you have database, your organization is using database, then you can use DB connector to connect data. There are other options also available to connect databases, so you can use that. I hope it is easy to understand, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.